Hey guys, Bradley here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today, I am the one, the only Daphne, I don't know her last name, from Scooby Doo. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. So I had wanted all my characters to be ginger or light haired in some capacity just because I was going to use my original hair color for this, and then it just so happened that I just wanted to use wigs. But I'm still gonna keep the characters that I picked in January 2023 correct. So we have Daphne here, and I feel like she came out perfectly, like to my vision of this 60s diva in high school. And I'm obsessed with the fact that I literally did not have to do any makeup for my last look. I was like, lip gloss, you say, eyebrows, a 2-second brow, I'll take it. So this was great. I don't know what time, I feel like I started this 11:30. This took me 2 hours with filming content. I'm pleased. It's time to go to bed. It's 1:30 in the morning. I kid you not, I'm delusional. If you're interested in getting like me and getting like Daphne from Scooby Doo, I'm just guys, stop recording. From Scooby Doo, then just be sure to keep watching. But before that, scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang, and let's get into today's video. My makeup's done because this is the makeup for my last look, and spoiler alert, I only needed to do half of it. Let's get into Daphne. I'm starting with brows. I'm about to get dressed, but I just don't want to be on camera trying on clothes with literally no brows for some reason. I feel like because I haven't had any on for this entire look I just finished, it's like driving me crazy, and I just secretly have OCD about that kind of thing, and I need to get it done. Like I need to have somewhat of a finished face. Like if you have to stop and answer the door face, like it kind of makes sense what you're doing. No brows is very unhinged. Anyways, I'm not gonna talk too much as I haven't been for the past couple videos, just because we want to get these out. I want to get them done rather than have them be these long things. So I'm like, are those a little dark for Daphne? Maybe. Anyways, let's get dressed. I picked this dress, but my sister pointed out that it kind of gives more Starfire vibes than Daphne vibes. And I was just thinking, like, different, like we could elevate Daphne, you know? I'm such a comedian, I swear. Comedian girl! I just think it might be a vibe. And then I have two different stockings, because of course. But then I'm also like, I still don't know what wig I'm wearing. And I think that that's also what I need. This one, a bit too dark. The style, I feel like, gives. Like, I think, yeah, like, okay, we're gonna battle of the Daphnes. This is why I'm a sucker for, like, my brain's vision, because I knew this is how I wanted to come together, and this is how it came together. So I'm gonna put on the other option, but I'm like already filming TikToks on this, because I feel like this is the one. You know, you get me? This scarf is giving Daphne is hiding a hickey, but it's fine. Because I'm like, this is too cute. Okay, so this one is more traditionally Daphne. It's traditionally Daphne. I just don't think it's a flattering dress for me. Like, even like my boobs, I'm kind of like, and if this had a button, yeah, you know? But I feel like a lot gets lost with it on me. I think we made a decision. Oh shit, we're still role-playing. I just have to fix my wig and get back into this costume. And then we have like an array of like Daphne. Oh! Yes! I was considering these ones, but no, I'm not gonna do the thing. These tie it together. I'm gonna have to do my eye makeup. Oh my god, I might not have to do eye makeup. I'm so smart. My brain, to be studied. Okay, let me throw on a lip real quick. You're done. You're done. Do you feel like you missed something? That makes perfect sense. So, this video what was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, I was trying on the clothes. And then I put on these sunglasses and I was like, I really don't have to do an eye look. And for context, it's 1:30 in the morning. I have work. I have to be up for work in like 4 hours. So saving me time from eye look, and it actually goes with the look and the aesthetic, is crazy. Crazy. But anyways, here's Daphne. She's so cute. I got makeup on the stocking, which was so annoying, but whatever. These boots from spring that I wore last year with my Diana costume. She's perfect. She's perfect. The scarf's a little thick, but it's giving she's hiding hickeys from Fred. What do we think? I think gobbled it up, as I usually do. Quite obsessed with this one as well. I didn't think I'd like this one as much, but I do. I do. Even the hair being just like a random wig, same wig as Kim Possible, just being like, and it working. I'm gonna pat myself on the shoulder for that one. This is cute as hell. Again, easy as hell to procure. So I really need to edit these so that you guys can get your ideas for your costumes by the weekend. Yeah, so holidays work. For a brat, I want you to look at me and know who I am. You know what I mean? And I think today I kind of outdid myself. Okay, not kind of. I did outdo myself. So I feel like we're good. This is great. Thank you guys so much for watching today's BRATTTALIE costume. If you did like this video or found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today, anything at all. Leave that in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. Scroll down, smash the subscribe button, join the BRATTTALIE gang. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.